Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2016 Toyota Prius V Hybrid maintenance light reset. We are going to use this button over here, the trip button, and also you can see the kilometer and miles per hour button right here next to the emergency light switch. And we're going to be looking at that screen right there. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. And we're going to be focusing on that screen right there by the ODO. And make sure it's on the trip A. Go ahead and press that trip button and go find trip A. Just like that. Now when you're at the trip A, go ahead and turn off your car. And now at the same time, press and hold this kilometer button and turn on the car without starting. Press and hold. Turn on the car without starting, and you should see that runner blinking just like that. And that is it. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.